morning, guys. I'm sorry to getting back to you so late. This all has been a new situation for all of us, I think, especially for me since I'm a teacher and now getting everything coordinated on time is almost impossible. So I'm sorry for this taking so long. This is new. This is new for most of us. Work just takes forever to finish through email, and sitting at home isn't really the ideal place for working. So I hope that you guys can excuse my absence of contact for this time. And in this video I will tell you guys about what we will be working on this week and then the following weeks, and what you guys should get ready for class. So stay tuned and let's go. So first things first, awesome work for those of you that have been sending me their work files. The projects seem to be going in a very good direction. You guys create awesome designs, and I think this class will give you guys a very big advantage in terms of architecture and actually working as a designer and architect in the future. In terms of what we need to do right now, I want you guys to send up to Monday, so this Monday that's coming up, this is 3 days, 12 p.m. or midnight, I want you to send your guys' work to me via email. Don't send me 3D files, just send me JPEGs or PNGs of the design, so you can show the 3D layout, you can show the floor plans, you can show the section views, but please make sure that this is in JPEGs. This will help me grade your work a little bit easier. I don't have most of the programs that you guys are using, so JPEGs is fine. It's actually quite enough for this part of the work. If you feel that you need to send more JPEGs of the entire scene, please do. Just don't make it like 100. This is just like, don't go crazy. Maybe you keep it at around maximum of 20 pictures. They can be screenshots, they can be preview renders, snippets, they can be fragments, anything that helps me understand what you guys are trying to design. Send it to me via email. You will get this video through the email. I'm sending it through bart10152@gmail.com. The other email, the work email, this is kind of for formal stuff. Let's keep it that way, okay? Reply to me through this email, the Gmail. It's going to be much easier to basically work with. Deadline Monday, and Monday this is the 30th, and 12 p.m. or actually midnight, yeah. So make sure you have that ready. Okay, next thing, you guys will be working on in Lumion for the beginning of this. Please make sure that you have the Lumion installed on your computers, on your home computers. We will be working in Lumion 9.5 or in Lumion 10, depending on what you have. It's almost the same thing. So basically the work will be acceptable for both of those. In terms of Twinmotion has released the newest version. I think it's called Twinmotion 2020, and this is not the free one that we've been mentioning before. This is actually the normal paid for version, and it has a free trial, which is basically free for education, free for learning, free for educators. So this is going to be a very nice way to work with Twinmotion. So please make sure you also have that ready. Link to the Twinmotion will be here. Link to the Lumion will be here. So make sure you have downloaded both of these programs so that you don't miss out later on once we start to it. Make sure you have those softwares ready. The last thing that I want you guys to know that I will be sending you guys video tutorials of the work that we'll be doing. Unfortunately, because of some that you guys have been leaving to your countries, which is quite understandable, it's fine, don't worry about it. It will be hard to get you guys at the same time, I guess you can say, because this time is actually the big deal here. So we will work via my tutorials sent to you guys. The other tutorials, such as this one and this one, they're awesome for Lumion. They're in terms of Twinmotion. You can use also this one and this one. They're also quite good. They are basically YouTube tutorials made for users, so they're quite nice to get acquainted with. And my information that I'm gonna send to you guys, as well as the information from those tutorials, will basically overlap some of the times. But my information will be basically for this class, so make sure you have my videos viewed before you continue working. Stay put, wait for more videos, and I hope you guys have a safe and pleasant time during this crazy time that we have right now. And I hope to see you guys soon, and as soon as possible, as we can do this. So have a good one, thank you, and keep up the good work.